Okay, in today's tip, you're going to just copy the image, and then we're going to go on into Illustrator. We'll open up a new document, and we're going to hit OK. And now we're just going to simply go V for paste. Now we have our image in tool. There's a really quick shortcut to switch between the pen and the convert anchor point, and I'd like to show you that. So let's go ahead and make our oval like we did yesterday. I have my oval. Now I can go to my convert anchor point by clicking on either the option if I'm on a Mac or the Alt key if I'm on a Windows. And simply by holding down that key, you can go to your anchor point right away. Holding down the option for the Mac or the Alt for the Windows will switch you to your convert anchor point. The minute you let go of the option or Alt key, you're back into your pen tool. We'll be using that in today's exercise. Okay, so now we're going to draw the leaf by clicking on P to get to our pen tool, and we're going to drag up. And then we're going to click and we'll drag down. Next we're going to click and drag sideways. Next we're going to finally click and we're going to drag up. Now on the Mac it's the option, and on the Windows it's the Alt, which will get you the convert key, and then release and you're back in the pen. On the stem we're going to drag just like we were making an oval, and we're going to drag back up and go back to where we started. Now we're going to do the Alt or option, and we're going to click. If you get an error, it just means you didn't click on the anchor point, and there we have it. Now we're going to do the same thing on the pear. We'll switch using the option on the Mac and the Alt on the Windows. So let's click and drag to the red dot. You'll be dragging to the red dot to start with. We'll go to B, drag to the red dot, then do the option Alt, depending on which computer you have, to the yellow dot or orange dot. And we'll continue to the red, and then we'll drag to the orange. Now on E, F, we're both just going to drag to the red dot. The same thing will happen on G. We'll drag to the red dot. And H. Notice how few dots or anchor points are actually needed to draw this pear. We're going to continue on with the J, and we'll finish up by the A by dragging back to the red, clicking on the option Alt depending on which system you have, and we're going to just drag right back into itself. Now you have the pear and you can color it. Do you recall Mr. Brunson requesting medical attention while in your custody? You're in for the scratch on his left. The vicious dog must